Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this twine as well as some fall picks and some cardboard. I take the cardboard and I'm wrapping the twine around it. It was about 20 times that I wrapped it, and this cardboard is just over 4.5 inches. I cut off the excess, and then I take another piece of twine and wrap it around that loop and tie that nice and tight, cutting away those extra loose pieces of twine. I make 8 of these. Once those are all done, I take 4 of them, set them next to each other, and I tie a piece of twine around each of those, connecting them. And I do the same thing with the other set of 4. I cut away that extra twine as well. So I have 2 of those, and then I connect those together with another piece of twine, tying it nice and tight, knotting it a couple times, and cutting away that excess twine. I then just fluff that out, and I'm hot gluing some of the pieces from the different fall picks I had in the center. And then the last thing I do is hot glue a stem to the center of all of that. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.